Damn, did y'all hear about laundry detergent being banned in New York? Some brands was banned in New York because of the high level of dioxane, which is a cancer-causing chemical, and is in a category called forever chemicals. And it's called forever chemicals because they do not break down over time and permanently remain in the air, soil, water, and in the body. New York wanted to reduce the amount of forever chemicals that's in the water supply, so they changed the legal amount of how much could be put in. And the brands Tide, Arm & Hammer, and Gain were shown to exceed that limit. Spokesperson for Tide and Gain says that they changed their products to be in compliance with the New York rule and claims that the dioxane is coming from the plastic of the bottle. From brands to the highest to lowest level, 1 is Arm & Hammer, 2 is Tide, and 3 is Gain. But again, they've been said that changes was made by the manufacturers. So technically they ain't been banned yet. But a study being done in 2022 on these products is what caused all this. Because these harsh ingredients could pose a risk to human and environmental health. And brands that claim to be truly clean is Dirty Labs, Drops, and more. An original statement of Tide Original, Gain Original Plus, Aroma Boast were also banned, but reformulated their products to a lower concentration limit. Damn, what's your thoughts on this?